Good day everyone. You're all welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing a trade review on the trades I took yesterday. Me and my team, the trades we took yesterday. So do well to just relax and learn one or two things from this particular stuff, because I actually made some mistakes yesterday. You can actually learn from those mistakes and make your trading better. You understand? So before wasting time, let's get in with what we have today. So yesterday we actually sent three signals: gold, USD card, and GPJPY. Now gold actually smashed our stop loss, USD card hit our take profit, while GPJPY actually didn't it didn't hit our stop loss, didn't hit our take profit, but we closed very early because I didn't see what I was looking for. So now let's up in for USD card. The reason why I'm not showing you the trade on gold was because the trade, I didn't analyze the trade. I just actually did some one or two and just send the signal, thinking the trade will go in my direction, which is normal. Every trader, it happens to every trader, you understand. Even though you become so professional, sometimes you just enter some trades without really analyzing it. So I didn't really analyze that trade that much, you understand. I didn't analyze it the way I should, and that led to the trade going to loss. But nevertheless, losses are part of the business. You lose and we also make profit. The main aim is to make more profit than the losses. That is the main aim. That's why you need to have a good edge in the market. So with that, let's stop all the boring talk and let's get in for what we came here to do. So now on USD card, what I did was I went down to the 4 hours time frame. So like I said in the last video, I simply use CRT. My strategy is very simple. I use CRT and HROC. So actually, the reason why I'm using CRT is actually to get the to actually know the liquidity areas, and the reason why I use HROC is to know the direction, right? So because these two actually work hand in hand. Most traders actually know liquidity areas, but they don't know if the market is going to go in that direction or not after market has taken those liquidity areas, because market can take out a particular high, can sweep a particular high and a particular low and still keep on going down or still keep on going up. You understand? So you need to understand the direction of the market. Even though liquidity has happened, you need to understand the direction of the market. Now for those of you who don't know what CRT is all about, I'll do some teachings on it very soon. So just expect that particular video. So please do well to subscribe to this channel, like our videos, just and turn on the notification button. Just turn on the notification so that you can be receiving you can be notified whenever we drop videos every single time. You can be notified every single time we drop videos, you understand. Thank you very much. So let's get back to the video. Now I went down to the 4 hours to actually get the direction, which is to actually know what the liquidity is all about. What is the liquidity, you understand, for this particular market at this particular time. So the help of CRT has actually given me an edge to actually know areas to look out for liquidity and areas not to look out for. So sometimes I just calm down. If market has not gotten to those areas, I calm down and I wait for market to get to those areas. So now looking at this was my CRTI right here. So this was exactly where I took the trade. CRTI. So this was the CRTI, the CRT candle I was using for the trade. Let me mark out the candle, and then this is the candle that was taking out the CRTI. So now that is CRTI simply means candle range high. So this is the candle high, and then this is the candle low. So why we use CRT is if the candle high is being taken out, what you should expect is you should expect market to actually go down in lower prices. But if the candle range low is being taken, then we should expect market to actually go in higher prices, right? So that's how it works. Now what I did was I waited for the market to take out this high. So as soon as market took out the high, I knew that okay, what I should be looking for is a sell, right? So now I can't just guess that particular stance. Okay, I'm looking for a sell, let me just go into enter a sell. Now some of you here know what CRT is all about. Some of you understand the strategy, but you still make losses. Why? Because you actually use CRT, but CRT alone will not actually tell you if the market is going to go in your direction or not. You understand? Because you need another strategy, which is HROC, to actually know the direction of the market after a CRT has happened. You understand? HRC will actually give you the coordinate of the market of these two candles that are using for CRT. That coordinate will actually tell you if the market will go in your direction or not. You understand? But most of you just use CRT blindly. You just use CRT alone, and man, you know yourself, you know your strategy, you know what you're experiencing behind that monitor, behind that system, behind that your chart, that you are still making loss, even though you are just using a powerful strategy like CRT, a very effective strategy like CRT. So you need to understand that CRT alone will not give you that profitability you need. You need to align it with HRC. HRC will actually help you to know the direction of every trend. So I'll be doing a series very soon on all these concepts, very soon. I'll be doing all the series, posting it here on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you just you turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I send these videos, you'll be notified. You understand that yes, these videos have dropped and you will not miss out from this. So let's get back to the chart. So this is the first candle. This is the candle that is that's carrying the CROHI, the CROI, and the C. That's carrying the CROI and the CRO low, right? So I mark it out, and I mark out the candle that is taking out the CROI. You understand? So I want to identify the coordinate of these two candles. Very important. I want to identify the coordinate of these two candles. Now we have coordinate. What is coordinate? Those of you who did mathematics in school, you know that coordinate involves we have two coordinates. We have the x and the y coordinate, right? So when a coordinate is the same, those who did mathematics, when a coordinate is the same, that means there's something wrong, right? So a coordinate should not be the same. You should have x coordinate and y coordinate, x axis and y axis, right? Just like we have the north, south, west, and east. You understand? We can't have the north. It's not possible. The world will not be balanced like that. So your coordinate needs to be different, right? Your opening range needs to be different. So when you have a opening range of a sell opening range in this particular time window, then the next time window should be a different opening range. That is how it is. So if you have a sell opening range, you should have a buy opening range in this other time window. So now this is the two time window right here. This is the first one, which is this guy here. So the first one right here, we can see that the coordinates, you can see right here, this candle, the last candle before this particular before the start of this session, before the start of this time window, you can see that the time this candle that started the time window took out the eye of that last candle. So what does that tell you? That means this particular session is a buy coordinate. Started with a buy opening range, or you can say it's a buy opening range, right? It opened with a buy opening range. Now this one right here opened with a sell opening range. Let me just move that red candle right there. You can see clearly that the white candle actually took out the low, though it's a wick, but it took out the low. If you go down on lower time frame, you see that it took out the low right there. If you bold it in, you see it took out the low right there. Can you see it? Took out the low right there. So now we have a buy opening range right here, and then we have a sell opening range. So what does that simply mean? Simply means that we can actually sell. So markets came, took out the sell opening range, went up, came down, and then came up again. So this is the low of the opening range for this particular guy. This is the low of the opening range right here. So this low of the opening range should be our first target, right? It should be our first target, and where we'll break even. So what we did was went down to the 15 minutes. Now mind you, when you are using the 4-hour CRT, always go down to the 15 minutes to actually look for entries. 15 minutes, 10 minutes, or 12 minutes to always look for entry. So here on the 15 minutes time frame, this is what we saw as our entry. You can see volume order flow. So this is where volume order flow now comes in. Volume order flow, powerful concept, very powerful. You actually see what others can see. It's like a god. It's like you are seeing what others can see. You are seeing the invisible. Yeah, you are seeing the invisible. So look at this. You can see 54. Just look at it, right? I don't want to give you guys that particular stuff. Volume order flow, very powerful. A very powerful secret. So you can see the increase, and boom, this particular volume order flow shows us that yes, the sellers are coming in, right? The sellers are coming in. It's not that the sellers are coming in, but the sellers are already in already. So you can see the volume order flow shows us right here in the data, shows us that the sellers are already in this particular stuff. So that confirms to us that yes, it is time for us to sell. Now the question that should be in your mind is, why am I using the engulfing candle? Now the engulfing candle is a very, very powerful candle. Those of you who don't understand, you don't know what engulfing candle is, it is a very, very powerful candle. It is very, very effective, because engulfing candle still the same, it's still the same thing as saying break or share to the downside, because a candle has been taken out with an engulfing candle has taken out a particular candle. So that simply means a break or share to the downside. If you don't believe me, then there's no problem. But engulfing candle is very, very, very important. Very important, man. Very, very important. So always take it very, very serious. You see the banks, the hedge fund traders, the investor, the pension funds, those big investors in the market, most of them, they use the footprint chart, they use volume order flow chart, but when they want to enter, they look for engulfing orders. Engulfing candle, this is the same thing as engulfing orders. When a particular order engulfs the order, you understand, that simply means that what, that order is definitely going to go in your direction. So look at it, this was exactly where we entered, right here. Stop loss at the eye, as you can see, stop loss at the eye, and that was a clean 1:3 RR right there. 1:3 RR, and it still went all the way down to give us more than 1:5 RR on this small trade. So this was how we were able to catch our trade yesterday on USD card. So it has really been wonderful already. It has really been wonderful. The trade was really, really fast. Just came, we entered the trade, and within few hours, or within an hour, the market just smashed our take profit. Simple and easy like that. So that was our first take profit. Second take profit was around this particular low, but market didn't reach our second take profit, where we break even the remaining orders, but market came back and took us out in break even. Though we're still able to recover all our loss for the particular day, and me personally, I ended up with a profit in my account for that particular day, even though I lost 2 trades that I shouldn't have lost, but I still end up with profit. You understand? So this was the trade we took yesterday on USD card. So make sure you join our signal group. Like I said, my group is completely free. I send signals every single day on that group for free. I don't collect a dime from anybody, for free. Everything right there is free. You can use it for yourself. You can use it to actually make money for yourself in the forex market. I also share trading insight. I do trading analysis sometimes, you understand, in the group. And please make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I'll be dropping some series on CRT, on HRC, and even maybe I'll be dropping some series on volume order flow for those of you who will be interested in it. So see you guys tomorrow for the trade review for 27th, which is today, for 27th of February 2025. Thank you very much, guys. Please make sure you drop a like, drop a comment. If you know you don't understand some stuff, drop a comment for us, so that I can explain what you don't understand in the next video. So look at the trade. This is the trade right here that I was saying. You can see it. So this was the first. You can see exactly where I drew my line. Market took break even, it took partials, and that was a beautiful trade. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.